Hello everyone, welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make a 3R size photo in Microsoft Word quickly and accurately. Whether you are preparing photos for printing, school projects, official forms or ID purpose, this simple method will help you to set the exact dimensions for a 3R photo without needing any photo editing software. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document, and we can see we already open our document. Now you want to insert photo, go to the insert menu, click this picture option, select this device. Now you can see here some photo. Now I am select this photo and click insert. Now we can see the picture is a landscape. Now we resize the photo into 3R. Now we go to this crop option. Otherwise you can don't find this picture format option. At first click the picture, then go to the picture format option, but we don't know here the measurement is inches, pixels or millimeters. Now you want to sure that, go back the file menu and go to the more and go to option, then select this advanced option and go some down, and we can see here the show measurements units of inch. Now I sure that, then click this advanced layout option and turn off the lock aspect ratio, then write the height 3.5 and the wide is 5, then click OK, and we can see here the image is 3R. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.